Hello! In this video I will review the Canon mono multifunctional laser device. These models may be branded i-SENSYS or imageCLASS. I will show the following in this video, and you can find more videos about printers on my channel. Let's talk about the 2022 mono laser models. The following has been launched: the printers of LBP 230 series replacing 220, the multifunctional devices of MF450 series replacing MF440, and the faster multifunctional MF550 series replacing MF540. You can find more about predecessor models in my video in the upper right corner of the screen. First, I will unbox the device, starting with the box dimensions. In the next minute, you can see what is in the box. The QR codes on the manuals will guide you to the web manuals. In my laser printers playlist you can find how to set up or enable different features on these laser devices. Find more links in the description. I am speeding up the next few minutes of the video to get my product ready for the setup. You can find the full setup and network connection in the second part video on this model in the upper right corner of the screen. Let me finish the unboxing with the product dimensions on the screen. I start my product review with what is not new, and I have to say that basic features, print engine and toner cartridge are the same as with the predecessor. Also, the maximum paper capacity with additional optional paper cassette have not been changed. There is still two-sided scan automatic document feeder with the two scan units, which can scan up to 70 images per minute. Also, LCD touch display is the same size and can be customized. Let's do the two-sided copy speed test. These devices are very fast also when printing double-sided. let's talk about interface and connectivity, as it supports the following features, where the cloud is now the new feature, and I will cover it later in the video. Canon lasers can be used with Canon Print Business app, where you can connect using on-screen QR code, and then the secure pin print is also supported when printing from computer or printing from mobile device. These MFPs support several scanning destinations and USB file preview. Let's cover now what is new, starting with the new Wi-Fi Connect app on screen, which reduces the number of steps required to connect to Wi-Fi network. Second is additional app in the application library, which supports printing and scanning from the cloud. I will cover setup to print and scan from the cloud in the video part 3 on this model in the upper right corner of the screen. With application library, you can customize and add new menus or shortcuts on screen for more productive operation of the most frequently used functions. Find the link to application library playlist in the description. And last but not least, there are additional security upgrades to the existing security features, and that would be all in this video. Find more about printers in the playlists on my channel. Feel free to comment, ask questions, and don't forget to subscribe, as it helps me to grow my channel and create more videos like this. Thank you for watching and sharing, and please like the video. Bye.